Hello everyone and welcome to a very special video here in the channel. My name is Abraham Leal and today we're going to be finding who is the winner for the Fan of the Month. So for those of you that are unaware of the dynamic, if you participate throughout the month in the channel, we are going to be selecting a random comment from 3 different videos throughout this past month, October, and those who are selected will be winning a very special free course of their choosing from all of our library. You guys are going to get a free course. So the way this works is all you had to do throughout the month was give a comment. I actually saw some very funny comments on yesterday's video who wanted to make sure that they got at least one chance, but that's why commenting is helpful. You might be winning a free course at the end of the day, or at the end of the month rather, and you help us, right? Because as you guys know, here in YouTube, the algorithm and all that stuff, likes, shares, subscriptions, all that stuff helps us grow and get to more people, and of course give you guys more and more content. So let's, sorry, that was not it. Let's jump right into the videos. As you can see, we had a lot of videos this month. I think this was one of the most productive months. I tried to upload a video pretty much every single day. We did a little bit of everything. This is the landing page that you guys are going to see when you navigate into YouTube. And this is my landing page where I can actually see all of the elements right here. So the first one was uploaded October 3rd, which was this one right here, Sculpting Rocks. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 videos in October. Not bad, right? Not bad. So this is what we're going to do. This is the dynamic that we did last time. There's going to be just a small little change. Since there were a lot of comments on the yesterday's video, on this one right here, I'm going to be selecting that one. We're not going to roll the dice. We're just going to select that one in case, or to give more people the chance to win a free course. And then from the remaining ones, which are 21 videos, I am going to roll a D100. So if I say roll D100, we're going to roll a 100-sided die here in Google. And as you guys are about to see, if we don't get 21 or under, we are just going to keep rolling until we get 21 or under. Once we get there, we're going to jump into the video. We're going to see how many comments we got there. And again, depending on the amount of comments, we'll roll another die. So here, everything, we try to randomize it as nice as possible. So 79, no. Let's do another one. 21. Okay. I mean, I literally do not decide these numbers. So 21 means this one right here. So the Substance Painter video that we shown on Saturday. And as I can see right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 commenters, because 3D Learner, my friend, you're only going to be given one chance. There's only one chance to participate. So we have 5. Dr. Manhattan, Ferran Santamaria, Ramtin Safarian, what's this? And Punet Mishra, and of course, our good friend here, 3D Learner. So let's roll a die. Let's roll a D6. If we get 6, we roll again. If not, well, we're going to get a winner. So let's see who our first winner is going to be. And we get 3. There we go. So Ramtin Safarian, welcome. Congratulations, my friend. You are the first winner of October's Fan of the Month. So let's say here, October Fan of the Month. There we go. So we're going to write here, Ramtin Safarian. So I'm going to submit these names to our team, the guys in charge of all of the mails and stuff like that. If you are already subscribed to our mailing list, they should be able to find you real quick and get your information. If not, in just a moment at the end of the video, I'm going to give you an email that you can use to contact them and let them know that you were one of the lucky winners of this month. They're going to give you a link. You need to use that link soon. The links that they generate usually take about, or I think there are like 5 days that you can use to submit and decide which course you want. But once you get that, you should be good to go. So there we go. That was the first one, the first video, which was number 21. Now, technically, that was, again, the video 21. Interesting decision there. The last month, we got like very early videos, so it's all math. It's all going to be here. So now we're going to roll a D20 because we only have 20 videos left, and let's roll and see what we got. And we got video number 7. See, go all the way down. So the rocks were the first one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 UE5 layer materials. We got 7 comments. Again, just 4 because 3 of them are our replies. So in this case, is Jerome Goivarts, Dr. Manhattan, one of our loyal commenters, Arthur Arcturus, and Amandleth. So let's roll a d4, and whoever gets this gets the course. Let's see. And we get number 3. And that is our friend Arthur Arcturus. So Arthur, congratulations, my friend. You are now the proud winner of the second slot in October's Fan of the Month. So we got 2 right now. Ramtin Safarim from Video, and I'm going to submit here so everything's legal. So that's video number 21, and Arthur was from video number 7 from this month. And finally, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we're going to go to this one right here, which at the time of this recording has 27 comments. I did mention that we were going to have one. Now, I might not do this next month, okay? So don't wait until the end of the month to comment. Make sure to comment along, and you're going to get more chances to win something, right? So as you can see, we have 27. We haven't replied on any one of these ones yet. So there's 27 participants for this final giveaway. And the way we're going to do this, again, we're going to do a D100. So I'm going to roll a D100. Let's do this a little bit more interesting. We're going to roll 3 times, well, several times, but we're going to get 3 numbers from 1 to 27. The first 2 numbers are not going to win this time. I'm sorry, you guys, we're really close, but you're not going to win this time. The third number that falls between 1 and 27 is going to be the winner, okay? That way we roll a couple more times. So that one doesn't count. Let's go once again. 18. So 18, my friend. We go again from, what's 27? So that would be 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. So Nicole, I'm sorry, today was not your day. But you were close. You were chosen. So make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to comment. Make sure to like. And you might be the winner next month. Let's do one more. Nope. 2. Number 2 is our second almost lucky winner. Prevent Kumar. Almost there, my friend. Again, sorry for this one. I know I changed the dynamic a little bit. But just to make things interesting, sorry, you did not win this time. And finally, the winner of the last giveaway for this month is going to be number... Nope. Oh, 4. Okay, you guys saw that. I did not do that. I did not do anything the site gave us. So the first one, Orith, you might have seen your number and be like, oh, I was so close. Well, it seems like destiny was on your side, my friend, because we got the number 4. And you saw how many times I rolled that die until we got a number between 1 and 27. So, my friend, Orith, congratulations. You are the winner of the 3rd slot for Fan of the Month. So that's it, guys. This is the end of this little giveaway. As I mentioned a couple of months ago, thanks to your support and thanks to your continuous support of the channel, for sharing, for letting us grow as a channel, and helping all of the instructors provide content for you, we're able to give these things away. There's 2 more things that are going on here. So there's the mailing list fan of the month as well. So a lucky fan of our mailing list will get a link to download a course as well. So make sure you are subscribed to our mailing list to be participating in that one. Since that one is managed by a separate person in the team, I'm not going to be able to record who wins the prize. But just keep your inboxes open, because you might be able to find a nice surprise in this next couple of days. And the last thing that we're doing, of course, is the weapon submission. So the weapon submission contest closed yesterday. The submissions are now closed. We're going to take a couple of days to review the submissions to find which ones we think deserves the grand prize, which again is going to be a $100 Amazon card. And there's going to be 3 more runner-ups who are going to be winning courses as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Tomorrow is a very important day here in Mexico. Is Dia de los Muertos, which is Day of the Dead. If you've seen Coco, the Pixar movie, you get a general idea of what's about. So we're probably going to be just doing something cool as well here in the channel. Stay tuned. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment if you like this dynamic, so that because this video is already going to be participating for November's Fan of the Month. So if you leave a comment, then you might be able to win something at the end as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye-bye.